Whoa, you go. Oh, good boy. Yeah, nicely done.
Better than the first one.
Good boy.
Okay, now I want you to do the other one going the other way once. Yeah, you can start wherever you want.
Get that shot, go. Okay, over, go. Get him.
Awesome.
Get him, buddy, go. Yes, you were such a good two-fist. Yes,
Woo, nice job.
Hooray.
What a good boy.
Okay. That was awesome.
Lovely.
Learning there. I don't know.
All of us.
Okay,
What
I
did I do?
a couple more things I need to do.
I think he's liking it.
Wants me off his line. Get the hell off my line.
Here's your challenge.
Okay.
Good boy.
I want you to one time tumble jump shoot, and then you can go back and tumble jump and lead. Make sure your handling is a complete contrast. Ready? Okay.
Oh, you got it. You got it, big boy. Nicely done.
Now the challenge is trying to do so he really understands the difference.
What a good boy.
Over. Go. Get him. I didn't.
Okay, you did
All right.
You'll see in the video we're at a dead stop.
Mhm.
Go. Go through.
He just got that fine toy for. Oh, speaking of toy, did you get your?
Yes. Get him.
There you go. Woo, you go, big fella. Yes, lovely. Good boy.